Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from Kucoin to Bitget. First of all, you need to log into your Kucoin account. Then you need to go to the assets on the top right corner and go to the funding account. Now you need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use this search bar, type USDT inside the search and click withdraw. Now you need to select the network. I suggest you to use BIP20 network because it has got the lowest fee. So let's choose BIP20. Now let's go to Bitget and let's find out our USDT BIP20 wallet address. So let's hover over this wallet icon on the top right menu and go to the spot account. Then you need to click deposit across USDT. Let's select the network. So we want BIP20. Let's copy the wallet address, go back to Kucoin and paste the wallet address inside this gap.